What's up, everyone? Another video again. I don't know why I did it. Turn the phone around to do that. Notice the power steering rack's not in. A little update on that. This being a VS one has a different knuckle. So it's just a slip over and that allows... I don't know if you're going to be able to see. You can see like where the tint out is. So that's like a slip-in style, whereas VK, VL, VN, and then early VPs have a spline style, I believe. Might be common knowledge, though. I only just recently found out, and I've been meaning to ask for a long time. That's very zoomed in on my wild man face. More of the metal gluing or welding. It's still shit. I really need to buy a gas wire and gas welder so I can go a bit thinner of the wires so it stops blowing holes. Which, funny, or maybe better welder would help as well, skill issue. But yeah, thought I'd do another video that's not a short, even though the short videos have been doing really well. And there's probably been a lot more subscribers as well. So VK, 4 years, was primer, thing was more complete. Actually has all the glass and all that stuff as well. You go back on the channel, you can see the views, painted it myself, everything's done myself so far with it. Still needs a lot of work to do, but it is what it is. This has been, well, technically is my first car. It's my second car, but first car that ever ran. I had a shitty BMW for a few months beforehand that never ran. Was originally NA, turboed it myself, originally auto, manualed it myself. Well, didn't turbo it. Turbo motor. It's got an angle kit, it's truck car only now. Could probably get it registered, but it would need a lot of work, and I'd really like drifting. It's got a Haltech in it, but I need to get it running. I need to get new injectors for it mainly is thing. It's got a half cage and stuff. It's currently being used as a shelf, which actually... But yeah, little video for you guys. Me rambling on. It's a bit of a bigger video. I'll do a video on the XR6 Turbo when it's actually interesting. But yeah, Nugget 1, Nugget 2, Nugget 3 is out there. Give it a thumbs up, share it around to your mates, thanks.